Core Construction is very intentional about building public K-12 schools across the state of Arizona. And the reason that we are, one is that we're passionate about building, but to be able to build for future leaders and young learners is compelling. Our relationship with School Connect goes back several years. That was when we first learned about how our values of what we're trying to do aligns with School Connect. As School Connect looked out across the state and saw the need to inspire and provide for the children that attend public schools across the state. Today we had a really unique learning opportunity. We were able to collaborate together with Arizona State University and Tempe Elementary School District to have the students come out to the Bateman Laboratory Renovation Project and just again learn about what their future opportunities could be in design and construction.
We gave them a rundown of how we kind of do things, a general idea, and then we were able to take them out into our job and actually show them how we implement all these little factors, how you take plans from engineering, design, straight to the field.
I learned there's a lot more to it than just like stacking Lego blocks, like how they made a seam like in the roof, and the pressure, you have to have this amount of pressure, you have to have this angle so that this piece can go in there the right way.
I was fortunate enough to start out very young, and so I know kids today don't get that opportunity. So this enables them to come into the site, into a project, and really look and see if they're really interested in doing this for a living, a career path.
My perspective changed a little. Just walking into a building and just not even appreciating it, that definitely changed because like they said, how hard it is to build. All the screenings and all of that stuff that goes behind it is just really important.
I think the most important thing we can do as a higher education institution is help students get on the right path. There's a kid out there right now that wants to build. So this opportunity to kind of see that and get that opportunity to see what building really truly means, I think is going to affect them far into the future.
School Connect provides the platform and the connections for moments like this, where community partners and local businesses and local school districts come together, and that's profoundly special.